Hello my friends, thank you so much for checking out this video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Bethel and I am a book reviewer as well as a self-published author, and I wanted to share a really special moment with you guys. If you followed any of my work online, you know that I have self-published a total of 6 books at this point online, but I am excited that I am going to be releasing my 7th book. And this book is very special to me because it is actually a devotional guide through Beauty and the Beast. I'm really excited because I have received my very first copy of the book, a proof of the book, and I am super excited to share my moment of seeing that book the first time with you all. So, let's get started. Here it is. I got it from Barnes & Noble Press. And I've seen a couple of other people do unboxings that it takes a while for them to get through the box, so we'll see how gracefully I'm able to do this here. There we go. And here it is. Redeeming the Beast, a devotional guide through Beauty and the Beast by Bethel Grove. Oh wow, this is so crazy, you guys. It looks really good. For those of you that have followed me online for a while, maybe some of you that are my personal friends, you know that Beauty and the Beast is like my favorite movie of all time. And I believe that there are powerful spiritual truths that are at the heart of this story, especially the tale of the redemption of the beast's soul and how that relates to our spiritual lives and the redemption of our own souls. And that was why I was inspired to write this book. And I am super excited to be able to share this with you all. Redeeming the Beast, a devotional adventure through Beauty and the Beast, will be available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble, as well as a couple of other websites, on November 12th, 2021. There will probably be a pre-order for the ebook version at some point, so keep your eyes and ears peeled for that. Other than that, I don't think I have too much else to say, except I am super excited for Redeeming the Beast. Thanks, guys.